Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And today I will discuss some important objective types question answers from the chapter string. Okay, basically all the predict the outputs from the string chapter. And here in this video I am explaining all types of objective types or predict the output from the chapter string. And out of this, one or two types will definitely come in your ICSE exam. So all of you should watch the video and learn it properly. Okay, so let's move on to the explanation part. So the first thing, the question will be given to you and you have to predict the output. That means what will be the output for that with the explanation you have to provide. Okay, so you have to write it. So the first question you see, within double quotation I have provided the string, that is achievement dot replace E comma A. So basically purpose of the replace method is to replace a specific character with another specific character. So the first character E, wherever the E will come, it will be replaced with the character A. So what will be the answer for this? See here, 3 times E is coming. So all these 3 places you can see here A has come in the output. So as we are replacing the character E, so wherever E is present, it will be replaced with the character A and this will be the output. So whenever this type of question is coming, you need to write the answer like this. Okay. Now moving on to the second question, that Mississippi dot index of S plus Mississippi dot last index of I. So basically here what you need to do and how you will solve it. So first one, Mississippi dot index of S. What is the purpose of index of string method? It returns the first occurrence, index value of the first occurrence of the specified character. So here it will return the index value of the first occurrence of the character S. So here let us check where the S is occurring. So index value always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So at second index it is occurring. So from this statement we will get 2 plus Mississippi dot last index of I. Last index of string method returns the last occurrence of the specified variable or the character. So here if we are starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at the 10th index I is occurring last. So from here we are getting 10. So 2 plus 10, 12 will be the answer. This is the answer and this you have to write. Okay, this is how you have to take out the value. So basically all the string methods you should learn properly, by which you will able to answer all this objective type. Let's move on to the third one, that is cable dot compare to cadet. So basically purpose of the compare to is to return the difference between the ASCII values where it is getting the difference. If there is no difference, then it will return 0. So in case of cable and cadet, first two letters CA is same. Okay, these two letters are same. Now B and D, these two letters are different. So here it will return the difference. So ASCII values are as follows. For B it is 66 and for D it is 68. So the difference between ASCII values will be 66 minus 68 minus 2. So output for this one will be minus 2. Okay, because first two characters for cable and cadet are same. CA is present here. Okay, so for B and D, the difference will be written and it will be minus 2. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next example, that is application dot substring then 5 comma 4. So, substring means we will take out a string out of a long string. So, from application, we will take out a small string. And 5 means the starting index value. Okay, so what is the starting index value? 5. So we have to reach up to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will start printing from C. But when we mention the 4 here, it will print one character less. That means 3 character from the 5th index it will print. So what will be the output? It will be, the output will be cat. That means it is starting from C. As the C is present in the 5th index, it will continue up to T, because we have mentioned 4, that means one less character. Up to one less character it prints the characters. So CAT, 3 characters from the 5th index is cat. So the string or the output will be cat. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one, that is question number 5. string x, here I have declared one string array. Now I have provided 6 values, also separate values: India, Nepal, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Japan and Myanmar, 6 different country names. Now the first question is system.out.println x of 1. So whatever value first index is having, that will be printed. So 0th index has India, first index has Nepal. So output for this will be simply Nepal. Now moving on to the next question, that is system.out.println x of 3 dot length. So whatever value is present in the third index, that string's length will be calculated. So let us move on to the index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So Sri Lanka is present at third index. So we have to calculate length of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 characters in Sri Lanka. So the output will be 8 here. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, that is string x equals to hello, separating with comma, y equals to what. So here I am declaring two string type variable. One is containing hello and another is containing what. So the first question is system.out.println x plus y. So simply using the concatenation operator, we are concatenating these two variables. So what will happen? There will be these two strings will be merged and it will be treated as one single string. There will be no space in between. So the output will be hello world together, and you can see here there will be no space in between, as these two strings are merged into one string. Now moving on to the next question, that is system.out.println y.char2. So basically we have to print the specific character at second index of the variable y. So y holds world and second index contains r, 0, 1, 2. So the output for this one will be r. Okay, so this is how you have to write the outputs. Now moving on to the next question, that is write the return type of the following string functions. So here are the functions. First one is starts with and second one is random. So purpose of the starts with is to check if a specific string is starting with a specific character or not. That means it will return true or false. Okay, so that is why the return type of starts with is Boolean, and for the random value it will return the random number between 0, starting from 0 and less than 1. Okay, so the random value can return double type value. So return type for random is double. Okay, so see the next question, that is system.out.println character dot is uppercase within single quotation r is provided. So basically we are checking the character specified here within the bracket is in uppercase or not. So r is in uppercase, so what will be the output? Output will be true. So is uppercase checks a character is in uppercase or in lowercase. If it is in uppercase, then it will return true. If it is in lowercase, then it will return false. Now moving on to the next one, that is system.out.println character dot to uppercase, then within quotation the character is provided. So basically the character we will provide here will be converted into uppercase. Okay, so the j is given in lowercase, so it will be converted into uppercase and the output will be j in capital letter. So basically there is a difference between is uppercase and to uppercase. Is uppercase checks one character is in uppercase or in lowercase, and to uppercase converts one lowercase character into uppercase, and if the character we are providing is already in uppercase, then it remains same. Okay, now let's see the next one, string st equals to computer. So here I am declaring one variable, string type variable st, and which contains computer string, and now I am printing system.out.println st.index of, then within bracket st.char4. So if this type of question is given, what we are supposed to do? First thing, we will execute this inside bracket part. So we will start executing it from the right hand side. st.char4. So st contains computer, char means it will return the character present in the fourth index. So what is the character? Let me show you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So u is the character present in the fourth position, fourth index value. Now Now st.index of that u, that means we have to print the index value of that character. So u is present in the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output for this one will be 4. Okay, so if this type of question is given, we will start executing from the right hand side and then we will move into left hand side, and the output for this one is 4. So here all the 10 types of predict the outputs I have given, which can come from the chapter string. Okay, so out of this 1 or 2 or 3 types of predict the output will definitely come. So these are very important, so you should study it properly, and I hope now you can do it in your own. So thank you everyone, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.